Hello everyone, how are you? Hopefully the lighting in here is okay. It's like 5:30 p.m. or later. Usually I don't film this late, but I guess the one perk of daylight savings is that the sun is out a little bit later. I know it's messed a lot of us up with our sleeping schedules and all of that, or some people like me just didn't even realize it was happening. But anyways, I'm going out to dinner in just a little bit and I had some time to spare and my boxes are piling up, so I figured I would unbox something. Before we get started, just want to remind you that I have my giveaway going on. If you would like to enter to win one of the new ABH Riviera palettes, I will leave my video link down below that shows you the palette and then tells you exactly how to enter that. That ends March 20th, so that will be in the description box. So, as you probably already know since you clicked on this video, I am unboxing the Birchbox for March, and this is probably the prettiest box they've ever given us. I know there's been a lot of cute ones, but the color scheme of this is just gorgeous. These are like all my favorite colors. Well, I mean, I guess blue is kind of my favorite color, but this is just such a pretty box. I'm gonna have to save it for something. Usually I recycle them just because there was one point in time where I was saving them all, but then I was like, just had too many. Like, if you get as many boxes as me, they pile up. You don't need to save everything, but this is, I think, a savable box, so super cute. I did peek at some point online, but anyways, I should probably tell you about the box, shouldn't I? Sorry, it's like 5:30 p.m. and I had one sip of wine and my mind just, woo. I'm just kidding, but anyways, if you do not know, Birchbox is a beauty subscription. It is $10 per month. I do have a referral link. If you have not yet tried Birchbox, you can get it your first 3 months for only $8. So definitely a good deal. If you want to check that out, the link will be in the description box below. So you get about 5 sample size items per month. So let's dig in and see what comes in this month. So when I open the box, this is what I see. There's a card. I will show you it in just a second. So it says, invent the reality you want to live. The future starts now. I like that. That is so true. And then on the back of the card, it lists all the items with their full-size price and then a little description. And then on the bottom it says, the future starts now fund. This month, the world celebrates International Women's Day. That just passed the other day. Honestly, like Snapchat filters is how I know a lot of these holidays, but anyway. To inspire and encourage progress for women's rights, we're giving at least 5 people $5,000 to pursue their dreams. We can't wait to see how you change your reality. Awesome. So if you want to look into that more, you can use that link down below as well. I think you can like enter to win that money. So if you have something going on that's really cool, you should look into that. But under there's a box full of goodies. So I do have 5 items in here this month. So I'm just going to pull the first thing I see. I actually chose this item, so I didn't explain this. So each month you can either get a surprise of 5 items, or you can pick a curated box so you can know exactly what's coming. You get an email that tells you when it's time to select, so you don't have to worry about remembering. I also sometimes try and remind you guys, but yes, you can get a surprise, you can get the curated box and know everything that comes in it, or you can select one of like about 3 items. They can give you a sample choice. And out of the sample choices, I think I tried all of them or most of them, but I did pick this, and this is kind of random, but this is the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray by This Works, and this is 5 ml. This is bigger than the last sample I had. I really like this. It has like a nice calming scent that you spray in your pillowcase before bed, and it says This Works. I think that's it's a brand. I don't know if This Works is the name of it or is that the brand. I don't know. But it says spray it onto the pillow before bedtime, and it's supposed to help you sleep. So I like the scent of it. I don't know exactly if it actually helps me sleep, but worth a shot, right? And I like the scent, like I said, so. So This Works is the brand, and it's the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. The full size is $29, and it says it's clinically proven to aid a good night's rest. This calming infusion of lavender and chamomile helps you fall asleep faster. Just spray it on your pillow right before bed. So I'll be doing that later. I'm excited. I just ran out of my other sample. I kind of forgot I had it, and then I found it like right after I selected this for my product, which is weird, but so I've been using it the past few nights and I've slept pretty well. I think my Fitbit said I slept like 8.5 hours last night. Pretty good. Alright, the next product I see, I think this is a full-size item. This is by Arrow. It's the Boost Color Enhancing Lip Balm. And I believe Arrow is a Birchbox exclusive brand. Let's see what this looks like. Yep, this has got to be a full-size lip balm. I can't tell if there's any scent. But this is the full thing, so I don't know. But so it looks just like a regular color. Let me see. I already have some lip stuff on, but I'm just gonna like put it on my hand. Okay, can't look. It's like changing kind of pink. Can you guys see that? That's so cool. It does turn like a light pink. I'm not sure if it would capture on camera because it's just a little bit darker than my skin tone, but that's super cool. Let's read about it. So yes, this Arrow, this is an exclusive Boost Color Enhancing Lip Balm in Blush Hour, and this full size item is $15, or I think it's the full size. Whatever the full size is $15. And it says it's ultra hydrating formula magically adjusts your lips pH to create a flattering rosy pink hue that's unique to you. Cool, I'm excited to use it on my lips. I love lip balm, but if it also gives me a little flush of color, that would be perfect. The next item I see is Marula Pure Beauty Oil Light Hair Treatment and Styling Oil. I've been using the Moroccan hair oil and I really like that. It especially was helpful before I got my hair cut recently. I just got like a very little teeny itty bitty trim because I'm trying to grow out my hair, but it really did help with like split ends and like just dry hair at the ends. So this says apply to damp or dry hair. So this is just like other hair oils. You can kind of use it how you want to, it looks like. All right, so this is a pretty small size, but you only want like a little drop or two. I mean, for my hair, if you have thicker hair or different textured hair, I'm sure you need different amounts. But for me, I just do like 1 or 2 drops for my whole hair. Like I just do like the middle of my strands down. And so this will last a while despite it being small. How much is in here? This is 5 ml, and this is light. I don't know what that means. I guess they have different, like maybe they have some that are like heavy for like thicker type hair. I don't know. But it says directions. Yeah, I already read you the directions. Apply to damp or dry hair and style as usual. This is Leaping Bunny certified. I see that on there. So the full size of this is $26. It says this sulfate and paraben free oil conditions, tames frizz, and adds shine without weighing hair down. Run a dime-sized amount through damp or dry strands. So cool, I'm happy to have this. The next thing I see, this is something I've been wanting to try just because I heard someone really liked it. This is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Bigger Badder Volumizing Mascara. So this is the outer package. I may have tried this in the past, but I don't remember what I think about it. It says 36-hour full blast volume. 90% of people saw dramatic volume. So, and this was tested in 21 women. And this is what it looks like. I have so many mascaras open, but F it. Let's see what the wand looks like. Because I know I'll use it soon. I'm using so many. This is the wand. So, I can't remember who recently told me they love this mascara, but I'm excited to try it. So this is the Bad Gal Bang Bigger Badder Volumizing Mascara. The full size is $25. That's pretty pricey. Lashes ready for liftoff. This gravity-defying mascara creates major volume without weighing lashes down thanks to the formula's featherweight Aero particles. Okay, cool. I'm excited to try that. Sorry, I feel like I'm like sweating right now. Alright, and last but not least, we have something by Marcel. This is the New Age Precision 8-in-1 Power Serum. It is paraben-free, fragrance-free, and hypoallergenic. And this is a 7 ml sample, and it seems full. This is what it looks like. Oh, good, my ear just kicked on. It feels nice. So this is an anti-aging serum. It says apply morning and night alone or under makeup. Cool. So I am currently using a serum, but I don't mind getting serums. I'm really into skincare and trying new things out. So the full size of this is $37. Wow. I've tried some skincare by Marcel before. I can't remember what exactly, but I remember liking it. Maybe it was like a moisturizer. But I've also tried their BB creams. But anyways, it says this lightweight peptide pack gel starts to work in just 1 week. It fills in fine lines, lifts and firms, all the while boosting radiance and improving skin's texture. Cool, 1 week. That's a pretty fast claim. Because usually they say skincare products take like a month to see changes and stuff like that. So this sample size will be, I'll be able to use this long enough to see if there's any difference. So stay tuned. We're almost at the point where I'm doing my quarterly box reviews. So after I have like 3 months of boxes at a time, I'm gonna do reviews. So in April, I'll have reviews for pretty much all of my beauty boxes. So I will let you guys know. I'll try and use that by then. If not, it'll be in a future review. So we got the serum, the mascara, the pillow spray, this Aero Boost lip balm, and the hair oil. So I mean, it's not my favorite month ever, but I'm happy with everything. I know I will actually use everything, so that's what's important to me. And I like that, like for skincare, it's actually saying that you can see a difference in a week. So a lot of the skincare samples, you don't have a large enough sample to actually see results. So why would I know, or how would I know that I wanted to buy the full size? So I'm happy with that. So like I said, Birchbox is normally $10 a month, but you can get it for $8 if you wish, using my link down below. Anyways, before I go, I just want to tell you what I have on my eyes. So I am using the Riviera palette every day for 2 weeks. This is actually the second look I made today. I washed my face and redid my makeup. I'm going out to dinner, like I said, and I was going to do something more simple because I'm not really like a bright eye girl, especially in public. Like, I'm getting more comfortable on camera using brighter colors. But then I was like, you know what, F it. So I went all pink on the upper lid, as you can probably tell. Sometimes I can't tell how it's coming through on camera. But anyways, I use this pink shade Monte Carlo all over my crease. And then I used the pink shimmer Palermo all over my lid. And then on my lower lash line, I used Mediterranean. So that's all I did today. These seriously blend so well. I say it all the time. I love all the shimmers. I'm looking at it now. I like how this looks. I feel like it's out of my comfort zone, like I said, but I think it's pretty, and I love this palette. I'm really falling in love with it. Well, I've already fallen in love with it, but yeah, so definitely enter my giveaway if you have not yet. I am just repeating myself way too much lately, but anyways, I hope you guys are all enjoying yourself. I am so grateful you are here with me today unboxing, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!